Okay, so now we're going to look at how we would use this with word problems. So we really need to just kind of break down what is in the word problem. So I'm going to read through it and then I'm going to tell myself and ask myself, what important information did they tell me? And then I'll go through and highlight it and then we'll work through. So it costs Margot a processing fee of $3 to rent a storage unit, plus $17 per month to keep her belongings in the unit. Her friend Carissa wants to store a box of her belongings in Margot's storage unit and tells her she will pay $1 towards the processing fee and $3 for every month she keeps the box in storage. Write an expression that shows how much Margot will have to pay if Carissa continues to contribute, then determine how much Margot will pay if she uses the storage unit for 6 months. Okay, so I'm going to go through with my pen and I'm going to highlight, what do I know? So I know there is a processing fee of $3. It's also $17 per month to keep her belongings in the unit. Let's see, Carissa's friend will pay $1 towards the processing fee and $3 for every month she keeps her stuff there. So I think that's all the important information that I need. So now I'm going to go through and I'm going to start my problem. What is my problem? To write an expression that shows how much Margot will have to pay if Carissa continues to contribute. Well, I know that if Margot paid by herself, it's $3 plus the $17 per month. That's what Margot would pay by herself. But she gets to subtract some of that. She takes away the $1 that Carissa paid her for the processing fee, plus the $3 per month that Carissa gives her. So now I'm going to go ahead and use what I have been doing this whole time. So I'm going to rewrite my subtraction as addition. So 3 plus 17m plus negative 1 plus negative 3m. Now I'm going to rearrange. So to do that, I'm going to start by highlighting my like terms. So I have a 17m and a negative 3m. And I also have a 3 and a negative 1. So I'm going to rearrange to where my greens are together and my blues are together. So I have a 17m plus negative 3m plus 3 plus negative 1. And I'm going to combine my like terms. So 17 plus negative 3 is 14m plus 3 plus negative 1 is 2. So my expression is 14m plus 2. So that is how much Margot will pay if Carissa continues to contribute. This equation and this equation are equivalent, but I would much rather work with a short 14m plus 2 equation. So now we're not done, because it says then determine how much Margot will pay if she uses storage unit for 6 months. M is the number of months. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to plug 6 into my equation. So I have 14m plus 2 and m equals 6. So 14, 6 plus 2. Well, I don't know what 14 times 6 is off the top of my head. So I'm going to grab out a calculator and I put 14 times 6. Oh, that's 84 plus 2. So now I have $86. So Margot would pay $86 in 6 months if Carissa was contributing the entire time. So you have to break down those word problems and see what pieces you have and then group them together and solve. Make sure you answer all parts of the question just like I did, and hopefully the next one's a little easier for you. You guys were supposed to do this one by yourself, but I decided to switch them around. So hopefully that will help you.